Hi, today we are making Mujadara, yet another one pot meal. This is a Lebanese vegan dish made with rice and whole lentils. Tastes awesome. You'll be able to cook this easily and surprise yourself. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? For this recipe, you'll require whole lentils. These are called black lentils or brown lentils. I've soaked the whole lentils in water. So this has been soaking for about 2 hours and it becomes easier to cook them. This is 1 cup of basmati rice that I have washed and drained. So for every cup of lentils, you need 1 cup of rice. I'll begin by boiling the lentils, and I've used some of the water in which I soaked the lentils. So that's on one stove, and side by side I'll fry the onions. I'm using olive oil for this recipe as is the tradition, and I'm heating the oil to fry the onions. And in the meantime, I'll add in the soaked lentils into the boiling water and cook them till they are half done. Say for about 7 to 8 minutes. I'm using a cup of chopped onions. You could use sliced onion in its place. I'll fry them on medium heat till they have a nice color on them. The onions will take the maximum time in this entire recipe, so be patient and keep moving your onions. This vegetarian recipe comes from Lebanon. The lentils are coming along well and should be done in a couple of more minutes. Time to drain the lentils and reserve the water. The onions are done. I'll turn off the heat and take them out. The onions are nice and crispy, so I'll just let them cool down. I'm using the same oil in which I fried the onions. So this is about slightly more than a tablespoon of that fried onion oil, and I'll add in some extra virgin olive oil for flavoring, maybe a tablespoon and a half, and let that heat up. Cinnamon, a bay leaf, some peppercorns, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then add in a chopped onion. Season with a bit of salt and cook this till the onions get a slight color on them. That looks good to me. So I'll add in the rice. Cook it for maybe a minute and a half to 2 minutes on medium heat till the rice becomes glossy. That's done, and I have forgotten to add the garlic, so I'll just add it. Tablespoon of chopped garlic, and I'll cook this on low heat till the raw smell goes away. That smells good. So let's add in the dry spices. A teaspoon of cumin powder, jeera. This is the main spice. Half a teaspoon of allspice or garam masala. Some add in dhania powder, that's coriander powder. I like to add it in. 3/4 teaspoon. And a tiny pinch of turmeric or haldi powder. You could add in some red chili powder. Toss in the spices I'll add in about 1/4 cup of fresh tomato paste. Again, this is not there in the traditional recipe, but I like to add it anyway. Then the cooked lentils. Add in about 3 to 4 cups of the lentil water. You could mix in regular water if it's less. Bring it to a boil. That's coming to a boil. Mujadara is such a simple one-pot dish, perfect to cook on a day that you're feeling idle, perfect for students, youngsters who are living away from their family and have to cook on their own. Tastes slightly different from the Indian palate, yet quite familiar. I'll squeeze in half a lemon. So cook it without the lid for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then lower the heat, cover it and cook till it's done. Keep checking after every 2 minutes. So I'll just check on it. Season with salt. And lightly just mix it.
Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends.
The rice is almost done and I see a lot of water, so I leave it open for some of the water to evaporate. Once the excess water has almost dried up, mix it one more time. Put the lid back and turn off the heat. Let it rest for 5 minutes. A salad is absolutely compulsory with Mujadara. Some chopped onion, tomato, cucumber and coriander leaves. Add in a bit of salt, squeeze of lemon or lime, a dash of extra virgin olive oil, a large pinch of cumin powder, freshly cracked pepper, and just toss it up and your salad is ready. Sprinkle a bit of cumin powder and some chopped coriander or parsley and some of the fried onions. Reserve a bit for garnishing and then a final mixing. All the grains are separate and the lentils still have a bite to it, just like we want it. Some more coriander leaves or parsley and the fried onions right on top.
Serve it hot with salad and yogurt on the side. Enjoy!